What is Flavor of Language?
Well, it's a product that has 3 lectures that are my creations and some other teachings that I've learned from other people about persuasion, phonetics, how self-image and emotions relate with how you're talking both outside and how you're talking inside. And it's a compendium of some techniques for becoming more aware of your self-talk and really bringing some mindfulness practice to just all of your communication. So it's basically a communication boosting lesson series. It's about 2.5 hours, and people will enjoy it a lot. Everybody that's gotten it has enjoyed it a lot. Because most people, and yourself included, myself included, we experience emotions that we don't desire sometimes in situations that we don't desire them. Obviously, I want healthy emotions through the spectrum of life experiences, but sometimes an inappropriate emotion like some anxiety or stress or depression or sadness or things that I don't want to be feeling and there's no real reason why I'm feeling them come up, and it's very related to what I'm saying to myself in the story in my head. And so this is a stepping stone. This isn't the whole solution. It's a $47 product that will greatly boost your awareness of how you're talking to yourself and some more tangible variables of communication and speech that will keep you in cause versus staying like in effect. It'll keep you in cause of your communication, which will bring some self-empowerment, which is another what you might call medicine for negative emotions, is self-empowerment. The techniques that I give have a lot to do with engaging your own imagination. That your imagination is what you need to be able to engage and utilize to get you out of old speech patterns. That your old speech patterns are keeping you in old emotional patterns. To get you into new emotional patterns requires a new language, a new vocabulary. It's not very different from what you're used to. It's just normal English words. But put in right combinations can help you stimulate your imagination and get you outside of your normal thinking processes. And then a lot of the theory behind why it works can kind of demystify linguistics a little bit and demystify self-help a little bit and help you to apply it in just everyday casual conversations versus taking like a neurolinguistics programming or NLP for short certification or hypnotherapy or something like that. This was just getting right to the techniques of talking and communication to immediately see effect in your life. You'll feel a shift, you'll feel the difference inside, so that's kind of like power. When you'll feel a difference in energy when you rearrange words in certain ways. And again, this isn't the end-all be-all. It's a $47 product. What it will do is awaken in you awareness of this, and you'll start seeing it more and more everywhere you look, and you'll be able to take it from there. So it really will get the snowball rolling for you.
That's really cool.
Yeah, thanks.